I just heard something that blew my mind. By 2025, it's predicted that over 80% of households will have a personal AI assistant. That's a staggering number, right? It got me thinking, what's driving this trend and how will it change our lives? As I started digging deeper, I realized that AI assistants are not just limited to smart speakers or virtual helpers. There's so much more than that. You're probably using some form of AI assistant already, whether it's Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. But what if I told you that the next generation of AI assistants will be like having a personal butler, tailored to your every need? It's like having a digital twin that learns your habits and preferences, making your life easier and more efficient. And that's exactly what's happening. AI assistants are becoming an integral part of our daily routine, helping us with everything from setting reminders to controlling our smart homes. But what's really exciting is the potential for productivity gains. Imagine having an assistant that can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more creative and meaningful work. It's like having a superpower, right? But how does it all work? Well, AI assistants use complex algorithms to learn your behavior and adapt to your needs. It's similar to how a good friend gets to know you over time. They learn your quirks and preferences, and can even anticipate what you might need before you ask. And just like a good friend, AI assistants can help you stay organized and on track, reminding you of important deadlines and appointments. As I was exploring this topic, I stumbled upon a fascinating analogy. AI assistants are like having a personal navigator, helping you navigate through the complexities of modern life. Just like how a GPS navigates you through unfamiliar streets, an AI assistant can help you navigate through the digital landscape, finding the most efficient routes and avoiding obstacles. It's a powerful tool, and it's only getting more sophisticated. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the risks? What about the potential for AI assistants to become too controlling or invasive? Those are valid concerns, and it's something we need to be aware of as we move forward. But for now, let's focus on the benefits, like how AI assistants can help us automate mundane tasks, freeing up our time for more creative pursuits. As I reflect on my own experience with AI assistants, I have to say that it's been a game changer. I've been using a virtual assistant to help me manage my schedule and reminders, and it's been incredibly liberating. But what I'm really excited about is the potential for AI assistants to become even more integrated into our lives, like having a digital twin that anticipates our needs and makes recommendations. It's like having a personal shopping assistant, or a fitness coach, or even a travel planner, all rolled into one. And that's where the concept of a digital twin comes in. It's like having a virtual replica of yourself that can interact with the digital world on your behalf. It's a powerful idea, and it's something that's already being explored in various industries, from healthcare to finance. But what if I told you that the next generation of AI assistants will be able to learn from your digital twin and adapt to your changing needs and preferences? It's like having a personal AI assistant that's always learning, always adapting, and always improving. But how will this change our daily lives? Well, for one thing, it will make us more productive by automating repetitive tasks and freeing up our time for more creative and meaningful work. It's like having a superpower, where you can focus on what matters most, while your AI assistant takes care of the rest. And it's not just about productivity. AI assistants can also help us make better decisions, by providing us with personalized recommendations and insights. As we explore this new frontier, I'm reminded of the early days of the internet when it was still a wild west of possibilities and uncharted territory. But just like how the internet changed our lives forever, AI assistants are poised to do the same. And that's what makes this so exciting, the potential for AI assistants to transform our lives, to make us more efficient, more productive, and more connected. But what does this mean for our future? As AI assistants become more integrated into our lives, will we start to rely on them too much? Will we lose the human touch, the personal connection that makes us who we are? These are questions we need to consider as we move forward into this brave new world. As I ponder these questions, I'm reminded of a conversation I had with a friend about the potential risks and benefits of AI assistants. And one thing that struck me was the importance of finding a balance between technology and human connection. It's like having a seesaw, where you need to find the perfect balance between the two. And that's what I think is so crucial, as we move forward, finding that balance, and making sure that AI assistants enhance our lives, rather than control them. Now, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What if your AI assistant became so advanced, it started to make decisions on your behalf? Would you trust it, or would you feel like you're losing control? It's a question that gets to the heart of what it means to be human, and how we relate to technology. And that's what I love about exploring this topic. It's always making me think, always making me wonder. And as I wrap up this video, I want to say that I'm excited to continue exploring this topic, to see where it takes us, and what wonders it holds. If you're as curious as I am, and you want to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and technology, then join me on this journey, and let's explore the future together by subscribing to this channel, where we'll be sharing more videos, more insights, and more exciting discoveries.